After the call ends, the detectives discuss why and how they should handle this case. Katja is the first one raising her voice. For her, it sounds a lot like Anne is looking for something that other countries have already implemented: proactive public e-services. The other detectives are very curious about this concept, and Katja is delighted to explain it to them. Proactive public e-services are digital services provided by a public authority, like the Belgian government, on its own initiative, in accordance with the citizens' presumed will and based on data in the state's information system databases. To this end, it is considered as the next big step in the general e-government roadmap. Samba is still a little bit confused as to how someone could measure the proactivity of a public service, so Katja explains him that it is done by looking at the amount of effort that is required from citizens depending on the amount of information and the number of interactions requested from the citizen until he or she receives the desired service. At this moment, Samba jumps into the discussion. What Katja had just explained to the group sounded to him very similar to the concept of agile. The need of organizations, especially bureaucracies, to become more flexible, adaptive, and rapid in their behavior, putting changing customer needs at the very heart of organizational practices. Thereupon, a heated discussion fires up between the four detectives. Can the two concepts of agile and proactivity be compared in the first place? What are the factors that promote or hinder proactive public e-services? To what extent are these factors reflected in the concept of agile? Ultimately, they agree on one question to get a better understanding of Anne's case. What are positive and negative factors that influence the development of proactive public e-services in Belgium, and in which ways are they reflected in the concept of agile? As of now, they have hardly any clues how to answer this question, so they start looking for witnesses. Fortunately, Anne has reported 3 witnesses she saw at the crime scene. While witness 1 and 2 are nowhere to be reached, witness 3 agrees to meet with the 4 detectives a few days after.
Created using Powtoon.